Free training session. The number one best kept secret that 7-figure eCom stores are using. Your Shopify success is just a click away. People are winning, now it's your turn. Build your very own profitable e-commerce business and change your life. Get involved with a private community of like-minded members in eCom who have built or are in the process of building a lifestyle eCom business that they love using the skills of digital marketing. This step-by-step Shopify training will take you through everything you need to know about how to get started in eCom the right way, and how this eCom success system can help you set up your Shopify business correctly from the start, even with no prior experience. You're going to learn. Done for you funnels, proven results. Earn commissions up to $997 per sale, no website needed. Create passive recurring income by partnering with one of the top authorities in the Shopify space. The no store no product method for generating 8 figures. Using his proven software plus courses to earn commissions. His 180-day done-for-you marketing system. $40,000 per month case study revealed, nothing held back. Fully automated system for generating traffic plus sales daily. How to profit from Shopify without doing any e-commerce. This is unlike anything else in the e-com industry or online marketing world. Access your free training now by clicking the link in the description below.